Hello, my dear students. Once again, I'm very happy and welcome for continuing the consignment chapter. The special topic abnormal loss. The special topic, my dears, abnormal loss, my dears. My dears, it's important for the check-up examination point of this is an important problem, my dears. So that is the problem itself includes abnormal loss, my dears. Abnormal loss, my dears. Here there is a problem. Mr. Sudeep consigned 1000 bicycles at 150 each, my dears. 1000 total bicycles, 150 each. To Pradeep, to Pradeep, my dears, to Pradeep. Sudeep incurred freight 10,000 rupees, insurance 1500 rupees. Only two expenditure incurred by the Sudeep, that is freight 10,000 and insurance 1500, my dears. During the voyage, my dears, here there is a special word voyage. Voyage is nothing but the destination or the gap between 2 points. Gap between 2 points. During the voyage means of during the transportation. 100 bicycles, my dears, listen here. 100 bicycles were damaged and had to be thrown out. Had to be thrown out. My dears, once again, listen here. During the voyage is nothing but during the transfer of bicycles from consignor to consignee, 100 bicycles they're having the damage and throughout. This is called abnormal, my dears. This is called abnormal loss. Means of 100 bicycles they are having the abnormal. Listen here. Then leave it. Pradeep took over the delivery and pay custom duty 14,400. Pradeep also incurred only one expenditure, that is custom duty, that is the 14,400. He sends bank draft 50,000 as advance and account sales showing. So he is sending the advance rupees 50,000 and account sales. 800 bicycles sold at 220 each. 800 bicycles sold at 220 each. My dears, once again, listen here. Total 1000 bicycles. Out of 1000 bicycles, 100 bicycles becomes the abnormal loss, remaining 900. Out of 900, Pradeep sold only 800, is nothing but 100 bikes they remain unsold, means closing stock. Once again, total, my dears, here total 1000 bicycles, out of which 100 were abnormal loss, means remaining 900. Out of 900, Pradeep sold only 800, means 100 bicycles were closed in stock, right? Golden rent and advertisement 2000. My dears, it is a recurring expenditure. We are not calculating, consider while calculating the closing stock. He is eligible for 5% commission on sales. Prepare consignment accounts, my dears. Prepare consignment accounts. So this is the nature of problem asking in the examination for your semester, right? First, my dears, I am taking into consideration calculation of abnormal loss. Calculation of abnormal loss. How we are calculating the abnormal loss? Listen here, my dears. Here there is a calculation regarding to the abnormal loss, my dears. First, cost of bicycles damaged. How much bicycles? 100 bicycles. Face value 150 minus. 100 bicycles, face value 150. It leads to 15,000, my dears. It leads to 15,000. Had only consignor expenses. Only consignor expenses. Freight 10,000 and insurance 1,500. Freight 10,000 and insurance 1,500. My dears, here we are not take into consideration consignee expenses because this is the abnormal loss occurred before reaching the goods to the consignee. So consignee is not responsible and consignee not able to receive the damaged goods. That's why consignee expenditure we are not considered here. We are taking into consideration only the consignor expenses, that is 11,500 into damaged goods 100 divided by 1000, total 1000, total bicycles 1000. It leads to 1150. 15,000 plus 1,150 leads to 16,150. This is called total abnormal loss. Abnormal loss total, that is 16,150. Abnormal loss are those loss which are occurred due to abnormal cases. They are not normal loss. It is called abnormal loss. After that, we are going to calculate closing stock, my dears. Closing stock or unsold stock. As usual, previous problem, my dears. Cost of unsold stock. Total 1,000 articles. He sold 800 articles and abnormal 100 articles. Remaining balance 100, my dears. Total 1,000 bicycles. Out of that, 800 bicycles sold. 800 bicycles sold by Pradeep and 100 bicycles abnormal loss. The remaining balance 100 unsold into 150, my dears, because face value it also leads to 15,000 only. Don't be confused. 15,000. Had consignor expenses under that, freight 10,000 and insurance 1,500. So 11,500 into 100 by 1,000, same as usual, my dears. Don't be confused. The number is same. So 1,150. So 16,150, my dears. Then had consignees non-recurring expenses, only one, custom duty, because we are not taking into consideration godown rent and advertisement. Godown rent and advertisement we are not taking into consideration while calculating the closing stock, my dears. 14,400 into 100 divided by 900, my dears. Here there is a doubt, my dears. Here there is a doubt. Why we are taking into consideration 900, my dears? Here there is a small clarification. I will give you a small clarification, my dears. That is total 1,000. Total 1,000 minus abnormal, my dears. Abnormal. So because abnormal goods not received by the consignee, abnormal goods not received by the consignee, that's why 100 closing stock remain unsold, 900 only received by the consignee. That's why we are taking into consideration 900, my dears. 900 we are taking into consideration. How it is arrival means 1,000 minus abnormal, that leads to 1,600. Total closing stock leads to 17,750, my dears. Closing stock 17,750. Closing stock are unsold stock, my dears. Unsold stock. Then ledger accounts in the books of Sudeep, like consignor. Listen here, my dears. Consignment account, particular sum of rupees, particular sum of rupees. First one, consignment account data to goods sent on consignment account. 1,000 bicycles, 150 rupees face value. It leads to 1,50,000, my dears. Second one is to cash or bank account. Expenses incurred by consignor, my dears. Expenses incurred by consignor. Freight 10,000, insurance 1,500. It leads to 11,500, my dear students. 11,500. Then consignee expenses, custom duty 14,400, godown rent and advertisement 2,000, total 16,400, my dears. 16,400. Again credit side, my dears. By consignee's account, sales 800 bicycles sold at 220 each, 1,76,000, my dears. Total sales 1,76,000. By abnormal loss, new entry, my dears. Listen here, new entry. So this is the new entry. Abnormal loss 16,150. By closing stock 17,750, my dears. Closing stock 17,750. Consignment stock account. Then we are going to calculate commission, my dears. They are asking only 5% commission. 1,76,000. This is called sales. 1,76,000 into 5 by 100. How much? Wait a minute, my dears. Wait a minute. He is eligible for 5% commission on sales. 1,76,000, 17,600. 17,600, right, my dears. So the 5% commission, it leads to 8,800, my dears. 1,76,000 into 5 by 100, 8,800. Okay, okay, okay. Then now it's time to find out profit or loss of consignment, my dears. Total 2,09,900, 1,76,000 plus 16,150 plus 17,750 leads to total 2,09,900. So the balancing figure we are treated as profit, my dears. That is 23,200. That is 23,200, my dear friends. 23,200. That is profit on consignment, my dears. Then consignees account. As usual, my dears, there is no change. As usual, debit side sales, credit side expenses, commission and advance. Debit side to consignment account sales, my dears, 1,76,000. It's clear, 1,76,000. By consignment account expenses of consignee, 16,400. Custom duty and advertisement and rent. Consignment account commission, 8,800, my dears. Advance by cash or bank account advance, 50,000, my dears. So balancing figure 1,08,000. How it is arrival, my dears? Total 1,76,000 debit side higher, transfer to lesser side. Out of 1,76,000, 16,400, 8,800, 50,000 should be deduct. The arrival balance 1,08,000. That is the balancing figure. It means this is the amount due to the consignor by the consignee, my dears. 1,08,000. 1,08,000. So first entry by consignment account expenses of consignee, by consignment account commission of consignee, by consignment account by cash or bank account advance payable by the consignee, by cash or bank account balancing figure, my dears. Balancing figure. After that, goods sent on consignment. As usual, first entry by consignment account 1,50,000 means 1,000 bicycles into 100 each. 1,500 by sorry, is how much bicycles, my dears? 1,000 bicycles into 150. 1,000 bicycles into 150. 1,50,000, my dears. 1,50,000. Then closing by transfer to trading or purchases account 1,50,000. So it's tally for 1,50,000. That's it enough, my dears. That's it enough. Consignment accounts is nothing but consignment accounts in the books of consignor only. Of course, it's a 14 marks problem, my dears. 14 marks problem. Then come to the next problem. Vijay company consigned 750 articles at 200 each to Sanjay. 750, my dears. 750 articles. Listen here, 750 articles. He incurred freight 300, carriage 200, duty paid 400, and loading 600, my dears. These are the expenditure incurred by the consignor, my dears. So freight 300, carriage 200, duty paid 400, and loading 600. Before arrival of goods means during the voyage, means while transferring the goods from consignor to consignee, my dear students. Before arrival of goods, 75 articles, my dears, very important, listen here. 75 articles destroyed by fire accident. 75 articles destroyed and rupees 9,800, my dears, very important. This is the new one. 9,800 received from insurance company as a compensation. For 75 articles, insurance company provide the compensation 9,800 rupees. Sanjay incurred expenses of unloading 4,000, freight 2,000 and rent 5,000. So rent is recurring expenses, my dears. Listen here, rent recurring expenses. Rent recurring expenses we are not taking into consideration while calculating the closing stock. Sanjay sold 620 articles at 240 each. My dears, here very important, that is 620. Listen here, I will mark it. My dears, total 750. Out of 750, 75 is destroyed, means abnormal. 75 abnormal is nothing but 675 remaining. 675 remaining. Out of 675, 620 sold. 620 sold, my dears. So remaining we are treated as Remaining we are treated as unsold stock. Remaining we are treated as unsold stock, that is 55. That is 55. He is eligible for ordinary commission 6%, del credit commission 2%, my dears. He is eligible for ordinary commission 6% and del credit commission 2%. Prepare necessary ledger accounts in the books of Vijay. Only we are preparing ledger accounts in the books of Vijay, that is consigner. My dears, first one is calculation of abnormal loss, my dears. Calculation of abnormal loss. How we are calculating the abnormal loss, my dears? As usual, last problem. Listen here, my dears. 75 articles were damaged. They are indicated in the problem itself. The face value of the article 200. It leads to 15,000, my dears. 15,000. Had consignor expenses only. Add consignor expenses only. Freight 300. Carriage 200. Duty paid 400. Loading charges 600. Total 1500. 75 damaged out of 750. Total articles 750. Damaged 75. It leads to 150 rupees, my dears. It leads to 150. Total abnormal loss 15,150. Abnormal loss 15,150. Out of abnormal loss, my dears, this is important. Less compensation because the insurance company giving the compensation of 9,800, my dears, 9,800. That's why the actual abnormal loss leads to 5,350 only. Out of 15,150, we should be deducted 9,800. The balancing figure we are treated as actual abnormal loss, that is 5,350. Next, my dears, calculation of unsold stock. Calculation of unsold stock or closing stock, my dears. Unsold stock or closing stock, my dears. Listen here. Total 750 articles. Under that 75 abnormal and sale 620. Total 750 articles. Out of 75 abnormal means 675. Out of 675, 620 sold. The remaining balance 55. 55. They are unsold. They are unsold, my dear. Pradeep is not eligible for selling 55 articles at the face value of 200. It leads to 11,000, my dears. 11,000. Then add consignor expenses. Add consignor expenses. Freight 300. Carriage 200. Duty paid 400. Loading charges 600, my dears. Total 1,500. Unsold stock 55. Total 750, my dears. Total 750 leads to 110 rupees, my dears. Leads to 110 rupees. Total 11,110 rupees, my dears. 11,110 rupees. Then had consignor non-recurring expenses, unloading and freight. Here also I am not taking into consideration rent because it's a recurring expenses. 4,000, 2,000, 6,000, my dears. 6,000. Here there is a clarity, my dears. Very important. Listen here. 600 into 55 by 675, my dears. Very important. 675. Why we are taking into consideration 675? Because abnormal goods are not taken into consideration. Abnormal goods are not taken into consideration, my dears. Abnormal goods we are not taking into consideration. Out of 750, 75 abnormal. Deduct. So the remaining balance 675. It leads to 489, my dears. So closing stock leads to 11,599, my dears. 11,599 closing stock. Then ledger accounts in the books of Vijay or consignor. Ledger accounts in the books of Vijay or consignor, my dears. Under that consignment account, my dears. Consignment account, particular sum of rupees, particular sum of rupees. To goods sent on consignment, total article 750, face value 200, my dears. It leads to 1,50,000. It leads to 1,50,000. To cash or bank account, expenditure incurred by the consignor 1,500, freight 300, carriage 200, duty paid 400, loading charges 600, total 1,500. Then consignee's account, expenditure incurred by consignee, my dears, expenditure incurred by consignee, unloading 4,000, freight 2,000, rent 5,000. So 11,000, my dears, 11,000 total expenditure incurred by the consignee. After that, by consignee's account, sales, my dears. So Pradeep sold 620 articles at 248. It leads to 1,48,800, my dears. 1,48,800. By cash or bank account, compensation received from insurance company, my dears. How much? 9,800, my dears. 9,800. Then actual abnormal loss, my dears, 5,350. 5,350. By closing stock, 11,599, my dears. Closing stock, 11,599. 11,599. Now it's time to calculate commission, my dears. Listen here. Here, consignee's account commission, ordinary commission 6%, bill credit commission 2%. Total sales 1,48,800 into 6%, 8,928 ordinary commission. 1,48,000 in 8,800 into 2%, bill credit commission 2,976 leads to 11,904 total commission, my dears. Total commission. Now it's time to find out profit or loss of consignment. 1,48,800, 9,800, 5,350, 11,599 leads to total of 1,75,549, my dears. 1,75,549. Wait a minute, my dears. Wait a minute. 1,48, 1,58, 1,58, 1,63, 1,63, 1 lakh. Right, my dears. 1,75,000, 1,75,549. Transport to lesser side. 1,45,000, 1,75,549 total, my dears. Out of total, you should be deduct 1,50,500 plus 11,000 plus 11,904. The profit 1,145 rupees. The profit 1,145 rupees, my dears. That is to profit and loss account. To profit and loss account. This is called profit on consignment. That is 1,145 rupees. Then consignee's account, my dears. Consignee's account as usual, my dears. To consignment account, sales 1,48,000 credit side. By consignment account, expenses 11,000 consignee expenses. By consignment account, commission 11,904. My dears, under this problem there is no advance, so that's why 1,48,000 debit side higher, transfer to lesser side. The balancing figure 1,25,896, my dears. 1,25,896 by cash or bank account. Then goods sent on consignment account, my dears. Goods sent on consignment account. As usual, by consignment account 1,50,000 face value. Then by transfer to trading or purchase, to transfer to trading or purchase account 1,50,000, my dears. It's tally for 1,50,000. 1,50,000. It's tally, my dears. So that's it. Consignment accounts in the books of Sudeep, my dears. In the books of Sudeep. After that, we have one more problem, my dears. After that, we have one more problem, that is Maruti. That is Maruti Radio Company, my dears. Listen here. Maruti Radio Company consigned 100 transistors to the agent Rahul, my dears. 100 transistors to the agent Rahul. The cost price of transistors 75 each. Consignor paid 200 for freight, 50 for carriage, and 400 for insurance. And very important one, 5 transistors were totally damaged, my dears. Abnormal loss, my dears. 5 out of 100, 5 abnormal, means 95 only delivered to the Rahul, my dears. 5 transistors totally damaged and destroyed by fire accident. 300 received as a compensation from insurance company, my dears. This is called compensation. This is called compensation, my dears. 300 received as a compensation from insurance company. Consignee took the delivery of 95. It's clearly defined that 95 transistors and spent 190 for clearing charges, 95 for carriage, 250 for godown rent, and 150 for selling expenses. My dears, godown rent and selling expenses are recurring expenses. We are not taking into consideration while calculating closing stock, my dears. Consignee sold all the units. Very important, my dears. Very important. Very important. All the units means under this problem there is no closing stock. All the units. Consignee Rahul sold all the units. There is no closing stock, my dears. At 100 each, at 100 each, he is entitled for a commission of 5% on sales. Prepare necessary ledger accounts, my dears. First means, my dears, once again remember it. Under this problem, there is no closing stock because all the stock were sold by Rahul. So calculation of abnormal loss first, my dears. Calculation of abnormal loss. Under that first, cost of transistors damaged 5 into 75. Face value, my dears, 375. Had consignor expenses, freight 200, carriage 50, insurance 400. Total 650 into 5 by 100. 5 damaged, my dears. 5 by 100, 32. 650 into 5 by 100, 32, my dears. Total 375 plus 32, 407. Total abnormal loss, my dears. Under that, less compensation, 300, less compensation 300, my dears. Less compensation 300. Actual abnormal loss 107, my dears. Actual abnormal loss 107. That is called actual abnormal loss, and no worry for calculation of closing stock under this problem, my dears, because all the stock sold by the Rahul, my dears. All the stock sold by the Rahul. That's why we are not taking into consideration the calculation of closing stock, my dears. Then consignment account, my dears. Then consignment account. Ledger accounts in the books of consignor, my dears. In the books of consignor. Under that first one is consignment account. Listen here, my dears. Consignment account here. Two goods sent on consignment. 100 transistors, 75 each, 7,500, my dears. Cash or bank account. Expenditure of consignor. Freight 200, carriage 50, insurance 400, total 650, my dears. Again, consignee's account, expenditure of consignee, clearing charges 190, carriage 95, godown rent 250, and selling expenses 150, my dears. 150. That leads to 685, my dears. 685. Then consignee's account sales 95 into 100, 9,500, because they are indicate that all the transistors sold by the consignee at 100 each, 9,500. By cash or bank account, compensation received from the insurance company 300. By abnormal loss, actual abnormal loss 107, my dears. Then going for commission, consignee eligible for 5% commission, 9,500 sales into 500, 475. It's time to find out profit or loss of consignment. 9,500 plus 300, 9,800, 9,907, my dears. Total credit side 9,907, 9,907, my dears. So then we should be deducted, my dears. We should be deduct the debit aspects. We should be deduct the debit aspects. That is 7,500, 650, 685, 475. The profit leads to 597 rupees. The profit leads to 597 rupees. That is profit, my dears. That is profit on the consignment. On the consignment, my dear students. That is profit. 597 rupees only profit. After that, consignee's account. Consignee's account, my dears. Here, consignee's account. Wait a minute. consignees account. Wait a minute, my dears. Right. Two, consignment account sales, my dears, 9,500. Again, by consignment account, expenditure of consignee 685. By consignment account, commission of consignee 475. There is no advance, my dears. That's why 9,500 total. 9,500 total. Out of total, you should be deduct expenditure and commission. The balancing figure 8,340. That is by cash or bank account. It's due from consignee to the consignor, my dears. Then goods sent on consignment account as usual by consignment account 7,500 face value. Then transfer to trading or purchase account 7,500. 7,500. Wait a minute, my dears. Yes, 7,500, my dears. So it's tally for 7,500, my dears. It's tally for 7,500. That's it. Calculation of abnormal loss and closing stock problems, my dears. Next problems I will solving in next class. Thank you very much.